my J dolls and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair review, and today we are working with UNiCE Hair. This is going to be a really quick install. I just want to show you what comes inside the box. So you have earrings, lashes, accessories and stuff, and then you also have a wig cap. So yeah, that's what comes inside the box. And I'm also working with Just Spray. This is all her product. This is her liquid ice. It's basically like a edge control. Next we have her lace tint mousse, and she has this in different colors. This is the chocolate, and this is one of her growth oils. She also has this product for a substitute for when you do not want to bleach your knots. It's basically a knot healer, and she also has this in different shades as well. And this product is just to protect your edges so they won't be, you know, stripped out. So it's a skin protector, so that's what you put on before you apply your wig. She also sent me a edge brush, and y'all know how I get down with the edge brush. And this also comes with a end where you can apply your glue. And y'all, this is a great way, instead of messing up all your, you know, combs and stuff, this is a good product. And of course we cannot forget her mean grip adhesive. This is amazing, y'all. I went into the Miami Heat and my lace stayed. Like, I love this product. And this is also her other growth oil. I love this as well. It's extra strength, so it's different than the other one. And make sure y'all go follow her, check her out, and go shop with my girl. So this is the beautiful wig we're going to be installing today, and it is just their highlighted wig, and this is the construction of the wig. And I got this wig in a 24-inch, I believe, and it comes with 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. I got this cap size in a large, and I did bleach the knots. And I do get a lot of questions on how I remove my wig. So basically I use a remover. If I don't use her product, I do use a product from Amazon. These are the best options for you to not have ripped out edges or, you know, balding. So when I do this, look, it's already lifting up, y'all. So now we're just going to be installing the wig, just back to scheduled programs like I always do. Although I did lose the clip on where I did the edges, but I have plenty of videos on my channel on how I do my edges. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn those post notifications on so you can know when your girl upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one.
Rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. Reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, babe, deep, babe, deep.
Take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, work it in the rhythm, I wanna ride the all night, work it in the rhythm, so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you from my slumber, I wish I could call you up, miss how you put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise to fall love again, yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Trust in